Irakli Garibashvili is a Georgian politician, the current Prime Minister of Georgia since the 22nd of February 2021. He previously served as Prime Minister from the 20th of November 2013 until his resignation on the 30th of December 2015, and as a former business executive. Garibashvili entered politics with his longtime associate, businessman Bidzina Ivanishvili, in October 2012. He served as Minister of Internal Affairs in the cabinet of Prime Minister Bidzina Ivanishvili from 2012 to 2013. Ivanishvili named Garibashvili as his successor as Prime Minister when he voluntarily stepped down in November 2013, aged 31 at his ascension. He was the youngest person to assume the PM office. During his first term, he was the second youngest state leader in the world, after Kim Jong-un. From 1988 to 1999, Garibashvili attended the secondary school No. 1 in Dedeplestskaro. From 1999 to 2005, Garibashvili studied international relations at Tbilisi State University, where he graduated with a master's degree. He also studied at the Pantheon-Sorbonne University from 2002 to 2004. Since 2004, he has worked with the multi-billionaire Bidzina Ivanishvili. He started by working for logistics division of the construction company Burji, owned by Ivanishvili's Katu Group. He became Director General of Ivanishvili's charity foundation Katu in 2005. A member of the supervisory board of Ivanishvili's Katu Bank in 2007 and director of the label Georgian Dream founded by Ivanishvili's pop star son Bera in 2009. Garibashvili became involved in the politics of Georgia when Ivanishvili founded his political party Georgian Dream Democratic Georgia in February 2012. Garibashvili was one of the founding members and initially headed the party's revision committee. He was included in the party list of MP candidates for the October 2012 parliamentary election. After the coalition won the 2012 parliamentary election on the 1st of October, Irakli Garibashvili became a party list representative of the Georgian Dream Democratic Georgia party in the 2012 convocation of the Parliament of Georgia. After Georgian Dream's victory in the 2012 parliamentary election, Garibashvili was appointed as Minister of Internal Affairs in the cabinet of Prime Minister Ivanishvili on the 25th of October 2012. Garibashvili, then 30 years old and described by the Georgian media as Ivanishvili's right-hand man, became the youngest member of Georgia's new government, reforming the Interior Ministry, an agency overseeing Georgian police, security and intelligence services, as well as the border guard and navy, was a part of the Georgian Dream's pre-election agenda. From 2012 through 2013, the Interior Ministry arrested several high-ranking officials from the previous government, including the former ministers Bachana Akhalaya and Ivane Mirabishvili. This led to concerns regarding selective justice and political vengeance and drew criticism from the domestic opposition and the international media. Garibashvili's agency also faced the post-election spike in crime in Georgia. Garibashvili defended the arrests as being in strict accordance with the law and justice and claimed that the rate of minor crime, albeit increased, was not alarming. On the 2nd of November 2013, Prime Minister Bidzina Ivanishvili, who had declared his intention to quit the government following the October 2013 presidential election, named Garibashvili as his successor. He and his cabinet won in a vote of 93 to 19 in the Parliament of Georgia on the 20th of November 2013. Garibashvili thus occupied the most powerful political office in the country as the constitution amendments had transferred power from the president to the prime minister and the government. At heated parliamentary debates with the United National Movement minority during the vote, Garibashvili promised economic improvement and stressed that Georgia's EU and NATO aspiration would remain his foreign priorities. On the 24th of November 2013, he was elected chairman of the Georgian Dream Democratic Georgia Party, succeeding Ivanishvili. Garibashvili announced his resignation on the 23rd of December 2015. While no reason was given for the sudden move, it was reported that he may have done so due to low levels of support for the Georgian Dream among The populace, with it polling at 18% in November, and parliamentary elections scheduled for 2016. Opposition politicians, analysts and media speculated that falling support for the ruling Georgian Dream coalition, pressure from the previous Prime Minister Bidzina Ivanishvili, or tensions with the President Georgi Margvelashvili were possible explanations for Garibashvili's resignation. Garibashvili was succeeded as Prime Minister by Georgi Kvirikashvili, who had been his Minister of Foreign Affairs, with the transfer of power taking effect on the 29th of December. During his tenure, the Security and Crisis Management Council was established, as stipulated by the new Constitution of Georgia. In addition, the Unified Coordination Center for Crisis Management was created, with tech,